you like any help overtaking these horse riders if we do have to overtake, or do you want to give it a go on your own?
I might need a bit of help.
What would you like help with? Just like talk you through it? If I said you have to pass wide and slow, obviously everybody's heard that before. You want to give them 2 meters if you have to overtake them. It looks like they're coming off the road anyway. Okay, so if you hold back, that horse is getting a little bit giddy. There's something he's spotted that he's not too sure about. So just be prepared for him to maybe back up a little bit. Horses are incredibly unpredictable. So when you are passing them, obviously move over as much as you can. Keep the car revs nice and low so you're not spooking the horse with the sound of the engine. And just remember that they're flight animals. If they hear or see anything that they don't like the look of, they're quite likely to run from